Hello, this is just a quick video to say thank you to Grillworks. Here in Marion, Iowa, they had their open house today. It ran from 10 to 4, and it was pretty busy the time I was there, and they had a lot of great stuff out there. Between them and their vendors, they had a lot of samples showcasing their goods. A lot of people cooking on grills or smoking stuff, just handing out samples. The seasonings they have for everything, just sauces, anything outdoor cooking, they sell it, and it's all pretty good. I mean, they got everything but the meat, and they're very helpful. They give you the recipes and tell you how to do things. Heck, they've even got these handy recipe cards that are just free for the taking, sitting on their counter. Plus, they have pretty regular classes teaching you how to do stuff. So again, I'd just like to say thank you to the Grillworks. It was a really nice day. I got to try a lot of stuff, and of course, as I'm sure you planned, I bought some stuff. Oh, by the way, I have no affiliation with them whatsoever. They have no idea I'm making this. I just really do want to say thanks. It was an awesome day. I got to try a lot of stuff, and it gave me a lot of ideas. I mean, there was steak, there was pulled pork, there was smoked anything you could think of, cheeses, snacks, cheese puffs, all kinds of crazy stuff. And there's a bunch of grilled stuff too. I mean, grilled cheeses, not as in the sandwich, as in actually grilling the cheese. It was awesome. And again, just thank you, Grillworks. And I think I'm going to eat salad for the next 3 days. Anyway, I took some pictures while I was there, and I'll follow that with this, or follow this with that. Thank you. Right, I'm about to head over to Grillworks. They got their open house going today, and I'm a block away, and you can see every parking spot available is taken. As soon as you come past Connie's, you'll see the front side of the Grillworks. I was over here earlier today getting the samples, listening to the stuff, and I figured I'd just come back, and not gonna eat anything, just want to get some pictures. So what it looks like. As you can see, all the parking is full. This way, side streets, even businesses across the main drag there. Over here they were doing steaks and chicken and mac and cheese.
Yeah, thank you.
I did. Yeah, it has barcode.
I'll be right. I'm gonna go check on the flight.
Got stuck truck sitting in the driveway.
Again, it was just a quick walkthrough. I didn't want to get too many people on camera for too long, make people uncomfortable. I just wanted to get a record of it. Thank you for watching this video from the Blue Wolf channel. If you enjoyed your content and want to see more, please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Thank you. Good day.